Hey guys, what's up? Let's start compare two new smartphones, Samsung Galaxy A30s and Realme XT. Let's start. Start with the front camera. Samsung and Realme has the same front camera, 16 megapixel. Next, performance. Samsung Galaxy A30s has a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor with Exynos 7904 chipset, and Realme XT has a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor with Snapdragon 712 chipset. Now we talk about the RAM and storage. Samsung Galaxy A30s has a 2-option RAM 3GB and 4GB, but Realme XT has a 3-option RAM 4GB, 6GB and 8GB. And talk about the storage. Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 32, 64 and 128GB storage option, and Realme XT comes with a 64 and 128GB storage option. If we talk about the screen, both smartphone comes with a same display, but you will get a little difference because Samsung Galaxy A30s has a 6.4-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display, but Realme XT has a 6.4-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display. Guys, now compare the rear camera. Samsung Galaxy A30s has a triple rear camera, 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and Realme XT has a quad rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel. Now guys, compare the few things. Both smartphone comes with the Android 9, and talk about the SIM. Both smartphone has a dual SIM option, and both smartphone has a fingerprint sensor on display. And next, talk about the battery. Samsung Galaxy A30s has a 4000 mAh battery with fast battery charging, and Realme XT has a 4030 mAh battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the price. Samsung Galaxy A30s expected price 14,000 in India rupees and 200 in US dollar, and Realme XT average price 16,000 in India rupees and 230 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new videos update.